Hi everyone, my name is Ameena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the koala craft. So first you're going to want to start off by painting the inside of a paper plate with glue. Once you've done that, you can cut up little squares from magazines or newspapers and place them on the inside of the paper plate. Let the glue dry before placing another layer of glue on top of the papers. While that layer of glue is drying, you can cut out 2 big circles from white or gray paper and 2 smaller circles from pink paper and glue them together to make the ears. Once you've cut out the ears, you can cut out a big oval from black paper to make the nose, and 2 small circles from white paper, 2 small circles from black paper to make the eyes. Glue the black paper onto the white paper and let it dry. Once the paper plate is dry, you can glue the ears to the back of the head. Glue the nose to the middle of the face and the eyes. Once you are satisfied with how your koala looks, you're done. Thank you.